Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Knorr soup. First, let's gather everything we need. You'll want your chosen Knorr soup mix, the correct amount of water as indicated on the package, and any extra ingredients you might like, such as vegetables or protein. Make sure you have a pot large enough for your soup and a spoon for stirring. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's get cooking. Pour the contents of your Knorr soup packet into your pot. Add the exact amount of cold water recommended on the package. It's crucial to stir this mixture well to ensure the powder fully dissolves and no lumps remain. Once thoroughly mixed, place the pot on your stove and turn the heat to medium-high, preparing for it to come to a boil. Once your soup starts to boil, continue stirring for about 1 minute to ensure even cooking. Then, reduce the heat to a low setting. Allow the soup to simmer gently for the duration specified on the package, which is typically between 5 and 10 minutes. This simmering period allows the flavors to fully develop and the soup to thicken perfectly. After simmering, your delicious Knorr soup is ready. Carefully remove the pot from the heat and let it sit for just a moment. Ladle the hot soup into individual bowls. For an extra touch, consider adding some fresh herbs, a sprinkle of cheese, or crunchy croutons. Enjoy your warm and comforting homemade Knorr soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.